Hello, my name is Dr. Walter Campbell. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine. I've been working with Gloria here to improve her vision, and she's been here 30 days. And Gloria, tell us how your vision was and how all your systems in your body have improved since you've been here.
Doctor, I'm really happy with the treatment what I received from you because my vision is getting clear, and right now I can see your complete body, which before when it came I couldn't see up to your face. Now I see clearly, and I see on my side because before I couldn't even walk without having somebody helping me to walk. Now I can do alone. But besides that, doctor, the other thing what made me happy is how my health is going back. Before I couldn't sleep flat in my bed. Right now I'm using the snoring machine. I sleep lay down completely. And the other thing, I have problems with my system, the digestive system. I was going to the bathroom more than 5 or 6 times a day. Now I'm go back to normal. The other thing is the headaches and dizziness is improving with the medication or the
herbs,
treatment. Herbs, what you gave it to me. I'm really happy, and I exhort to everybody, just give it a try because that helps.
Well, in Chinese medicine, there's a concept of liver overacting on your system. Liver qi stagnation, liver wind to your mind. We did an ultrasound. We found that you had some fatty liver. So we work on that. As we fix that, we'll get rid of all the dizziness. Right now, you've lost about 80% of the dizziness or more.
Yes, kind of 80% of the dizziness. But the other thing what I received from you guys is when I talk, I couldn't breathe really good. Now you can see me. I can talk perfectly without have breathing problems.
Oh, okay. Well, that's just, the heart sucks the blood from the inferior vena cava. The liver is congested. You're getting blood with a little more metabolic waste that goes through your lungs from your heart. And then you get shortness of breath from that. And we've been working on that for 30 days now. 90 days, that'll all be gone. We've been using the WIT ionization gas on your eyes to nourish your eyes, to give them the energy to heal. We're using the exosomes to wake up the stem cells, to regenerate the tissues in the eyes. We're going to give you nutraceuticals to supply the supplements you need for your eyes. We did homeopathic drops, which stimulate the eye and in a lot of cases nourish the eye. We're really happy with your results, and I think in another 30 days you'll be a very, very happy camper. Anyway, God bless, and thank you for having the trust that you gave us. God bless.
Thank you, doctor.